US, UK and Germany indices yet again traded bullish. Specifically, the Germany40 has hit the record levels again and has moved now past 22,100, while FTSE 100 has struggled at around 8,800, and the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow traded mixed with moderate bullishness. So what to expect today from these five major indices? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Big day today. The inflation data coming in from US should be the driving factor. It is going to bring lot much of volatility today, and how to make the most out of it, let's see. Yes, after that also Chairman Powell's testimony to the House is going to add on to the volatility. So let's start. First S&P followed with Nasdaq, then Dow, in the end Germany40, and lastly UK 100 was till the end. Look at the S&P 500's chart. See the drop here, retracement, then the drop, retracement. It is trying to trade in this moderate bullish channel. The support levels on the downside tilt towards 6040, 6038 is pretty strong. It has tried to breach it for once, but failing to do so, it has reversed. Now see higher lows and higher highs. So I'll wait for it to now trade below 6060 levels, which should be a good indication for further drop in S&P, where you can expect 605452 as the first target, 604042 as the next. And this time, if it trades below 604042, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Notice what's happening in S&P here is the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. It is trying to retrace. It is not willing to break on the upside above 6100, 6120, and on the downside till 6000 it has got greater support, but the bottom is far below towards 5900, 5880 zone. The stochastic here is also looking downwards. MACD is trying to cross over for sell. It is still in green. RSI is trading comfortable. So right now it is pretty early to conclude the direction it's going to take. But look at the 2-hour charts here. See if the flat top, and then what we had seen, a good dip. The flat top, and now we can wait for a good dip. So yes, if you see it is staying below 6060, you can say now we are ready forward. See what it has done. Double top is seen, and now we will wait for 6040, and if that is taken, then you can just stay short for a greater round of drop here. Moving averages right now are bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, RSI, everything is running flat as of now. On the 3-hour, the observation is similar. Look what's happening here. After consolidation, it is taking the direction. This is the first red candle, and I will wait for the next one. And next one, once it trades below 6050, and or rather whenever it trades below 6050, that should be the confirmation of more bearishness in the forthcoming candle, where the prices will head towards 6040, and below that you can look forward to a greater. Right now, the indicators, specifically the stochastic, which is a slightly overbought zone, but the MACD is almost flat and it is not showing signs of bearishness. RSI is flat as well. The observation on the 4-hour charts is more or less same. Greater resistance on the upside. Let it break here, and once it drops here on the downside, you can expect the more bearishness to prevail. Yes, the stochastic slightly overbought, while the MACD and RSI are running flat. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, see after this bigger dip, it is the third continuous green candle. And see, this is retracement after the dip. Now today, either it has to give you a breakout, but in my expectation, what is happening, this is the reversal confirmation, this is a retracement, and today once it takes the shape, it is going to be a bigger blow here, and thus you need to be careful, specifically on the upside. Only bullishness I'll consider in S&P is if it trades beyond 6100, 6120. Yes, once it trades beyond 6100, 6120, it is coming out of this flag formation or narrowing triangle, and this can lead to a rally. But I am skeptical of such a rise. Again and again I am highlighting this fact. I am skeptical of such a rise. The possibilities of a dip cannot be denied. Only worry point here on the daily charts is the support it has taken. It has almost formed a double bottom. So this 604035 zone is what you should wait for it to break below. Once it trades below this, I think there is no looking back on the upside. We are looking forward to a greater price correction. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat. The MACD is almost flat. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is a buy at 607274. Expect 608085 as the first target zone. And if it trades above 608085, that is the point of time you can say now moderate bullishness to be seen towards 6100 or 6120 levels. And at the point of time S&P trading beyond 6120, there is no point staying short. There is no point selling the S&P. Just let it fly, and you can enter with the buys. You can expect 6140-50 zone as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 6060. Expect 605450 as the first target zone, 604035 as the next. And if this is taken, then you can just stay short for 60-20, 6,059.80 and then 59.50 levels as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Likewise, with Tech 100, see one thing specifically what we had seen for Tech 100 is the resilience on the upside to stay above 21,760,800. I have mentioned this several times, and now again it is showing the same resilience. Thus, only buying entry I will recommend is to when you see the Tech 100 trading above 21,760,800 zone, then only I'll recommend it you to buy Tech 100. Else, right now, in my opinion, we can expect a little dip. If it trades now below 21,670, 660 zone, stay short for 21,630, 21,580, 600. Now 21,580, 600 has become a greater support here. Only and only if this trades below this zone, you can expect a greater price correction. Moving averages have started to converge. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD running flat, RSI running flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. On the upside, be watchful here at 21,757, 60. On the downside now, 21,680, 660 zone should be the first support zone here, and then below that 21 till 21,600, 580. I will say it has got extremely strong supports available. Stochastic looking down, MACD almost flat, RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, after striking the top here, after consolidating here with the 20 period, it has shown signs of retracement, now trying to reverse. So now it has to trade below this zone in order to confirm further bearishness. It is possible the drop, the retracement, and now it is going to take the first decisive move, and possibly as and how it trades below 21,600 to 21,580, you can look forward to greater dip. Remember that this time the drop is going to take it all the way towards 21,500 or 21,400. So just let's wait for it to take the direction. Let's wait for it to break below the critical support levels here. All the way below 21,580 is where you can expect more business. MACD flat, RSI flat, stochastic flat. On the 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. What's happening? Notice this. The support here is pretty strong, and then if it breaks below this, you can expect more business. See what is happening. Lower highs are seen, and now it is continuing on the downside. Possibility is there that it may breach 21,660, 620, and 600 zone as well. Let's watch out here, because see what has happened here after this stronger bullish move. We have seen the drop, then a retracement, and now see the bearishness is coming with the smaller body size, and thus the for it to confirm the bearishness, it has to deliver bigger moves here, and that will confirm the reversal. Else what is happening, it can take the support, and then with the next candle it can rise again. But on the upside, my worry point is 21,760, 800, which should act as a greater resistance. Stochastic looking down, MACD flat, RSI flat. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, the important point is the lower highs it is shown, and now higher lows. So I'll wait. Yes, you can take a selling entry here at around 21,660, but then 21,630, 21,600, 580 should be an extremely strongest support zone, below which you can expect a greater price correction. Take it all the way towards 21,500, 400 zone. Notice what is happening: bigger drop, retracement, consolidation, and now it is showing signs of reversal. So possibility of a drop cannot be denied. While the bearish bias will nullify if it breaks beyond 21,760, 800. That should be your ideal stop loss. See the indications here on the daily charts are still you can say neutral. It is neither indicating a major correction here on the downside nor indicating bullishness. So let's wait for it to take a direction before you take a position. So you can just sell at 21,660 and expect 21,630, 620, 21,600, 580, then 21,540, 500, 400. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry only and only if you see it staying above 21,740, 760 zone. Expect 21,800, and if it trades above 21,800, close your eyes. One first target 21,850, and if it trades beyond 21,850, just stay bullish for 21,950, 970, 22,050 and plus levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US is showing signs of exhaustion here on the upside, failing to stay above 44,600, 650 zone, trying to reverse. I'll wait for it to stay below 44,550, 500 zone. Once it breaks below 44,550, 500, you can look forward to a greater price correction here. Notice what's happening in US 30. It is delivering lower highs here. It is delivering lower lows here. Where are the lows of this channel? Now all the way towards 44,400. Once it trades below 44,000, once it trades below 44,400, 300, you can just expect prices to lend all the way towards 44,000 levels. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. RSI has taken a hit here. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, see, after a bit of consolidation and a resistance, first red candle, and the second one is in making, and then once it trades below 21,550, 44,550, you can expect it to move towards 44,500 levels, and below which you can expect a greater round of correction here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI is flat. On the 3 hour charts, and the observation is more or less same after consolidation trying to take a direction, but till 44 550 500 you have to be careful, below which you can expect a good correction. Notice what's happening: rise, consolidation, rise, and trying to reverse the lows here till towards 44 300 are going to act as an extremely important support. Till 44 300, do not treat this as bearish. Yes, stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. 44 550 500 should be in a good support, below which you can expect the good correction here, though the stochastic is over, but the MACD has just crossed over and it is looking upwards on the 4 hour charts. Coming to the, now there is only one worry point for the bears out there on the daily charts, is the support it is taking from the 20 period moving average, and thus it is very important for USD to trade below the 20 period moving. These are the levels below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail here, and thus till 44 300 levels it is going to get extremely important support. The stochastic is starting to rise, while the MACD, see, the MACD crossing over here is not a good sign for the bulls, and I have been highlighting this. Look at this, look at the valley. What preceded this was a rise, what could follow this was a drop here, and thus it is continuing with this, and I expect this to continue here for a while. And that is why I repeatedly say, at least till towards 45,000 45,050 zone, do not treat this as bullish. RSI is flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry is only above 44 650 levels, where you can expect 44 710, 44 800, and then 45,000 levels should be there. Yes, if it trades above 44 800, certainly you can just stay bullish from there, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 44 550, expect 44 500, 44 400, and then 44 300. Below, you can just stay short. If it trades below 44 300, we are looking forward to a massive correction. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, Germany40 has breached past the critical number at 21,100 120, and it is trying to reverse. If you see, it is staying below 22,080, take a selling entry for 22,04020, and a drop below 22,04020 should take it all the way towards 21,900 levels, the next target zone. And a drop below 21,900 is the only sign of reversal. See, we have seen a massive real rally here in Germany40, and it is not showing any signs of exhaustion as of now, though stochastic, MACD, RSI all are staying slightly overbought. So this increases the possibility of a reversal. So wait for it to trade below the critical numbers here, and then you can confirm the bearishness ahead. Below 22,080, you can take a selling entry here, and we can expect a correction all the way towards 22,000 or 21,900 levels. Yes, the stochastic, MACD, RSI all are staying overbought on the 2 hour charts as well. On the 3 hour charts also similar observation here. See, consolidation going on, wait for the first candle and then the next candle, which can take it all the way on the downside. And notice every time it diverges, it shows a convergence here towards 20 period. At least 20 period sitting at 21,900 should be an extremely important and crucial support zone here. Indicators are definitely staying overbought here, not carrying any meaning here, because see, it is just staying bullish for long. Likewise, with the 4 hour chart, see, trading with too much of divergence. What has happened here? It has started to converge. What could happen here? It could start to converge. 21,900 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Yes, the indicators are definitely staying overbought here on the 4 hour charts as well. Coming to the look at the daily charts here, rise, retracement, and then again a second round of rise. It is almost at the top of it, with the bottom all the way towards 21,500 levels. So let's wait for it to take a direction today and drop below 21,900 is the only confirmation of reversal. As long as it stays above 21,900, we have to be careful with the sells. Yes, this is extremely overbought here. Any point of time, the Germany40 can break sharp, break hard, and thus you need to be trading with caution, specifically on the upside. While on the upside, any breakout beyond 22 120 140 140 till 22 120 140, you have to be careful with the buys. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 22 140, you can just stay bullish from there. Expect 22 185 200 levels as the next target. Yes, once it breaks out on the upside about 22 140, you can say you can look forward to a greater round of rise here all the way towards 22 200, and 180 200 should be the first resistance zone. 22,200, 38.45 should be the next, and then you can look forward to all the way towards 22,285. On the downside, a selling, I do not expect it to deliver such a stronger rise anyways today. On the downside now, a selling entry at 22,8080, expect 22,040, 22,000, 21,920,900, and breaking below 21,920,900, stay short for all the way towards 21,800. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK. See, FTSE 100 again showing signs of bullishness, but what we had seen a greater resistance here at 8790, 8800. Remember, once it breaks beyond 8790, 8800 is where you can say now we are looking forward to a round of rally again, rise, retracement, and now it is taking the support. Once it breaks out beyond 8790, 8800, you can look forward to another good bullish move here. While I can say it has already seen good enough rally and time for it to reverse its come. Let's see if it reverses. Stochastic rising, MACD is flat, the RSI is flat. Right now it is trading flat, not taking any direction here. On the 2-hour chart, see, divide this into two, and possibly a draw below 8760 is the confirmation of reversal. Right now it is not showing any signs. We have to wait for it to confirm by trading below 8760. Indicators are definitely staying slightly overbought, and thus the chances of reversal cannot be denied from here. Look at the 3-hour chart. See, this could be the tipping point. Wait for see, even if you see now it trading below 8775 or 8772 zone, you can stay short. Expect 8760, and once it trades below 8760 is where you can confirm that this is the beginning of the reversal. Wait for 8740 and 8700 the next. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with slight bearishness. The RSI is running flat at the top. On the 4-hour charts, almost similar observation here. It is right now not yet confirming of a reversal and a drop. So wait for it. On the upside, see, 879095 is anyways a greater resistance here. Coming to the on the daily chart, see, it is still not confirming the reversal. Yes, it can deliver another round of rise here. So if you see it is staying beyond 8795 levels, 8800 levels, stay bullish from there. 8820, 8835, 8850 should be there very soon, though I'm not in favor of such a rise here. On the downside, you can take a selling entry at 8774 and expect it to move towards 8760, and if it trades below 8760, be ready for the correction here towards 8740, 8720, and 8700 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.